Hello. As promised, I am going to work one of the problems from your homework. I thought about doing one of the easy problems, but instead I decided to skip down to problem number 6 here. I have, through the wonders of technology and magic there, I have cut and paste. As you can see here on the screen, I've cut and pasted the conversions worksheet from up above. I am also going to be doing this entirely in Word because I'm doing this at home, and all the accoutrements I have for writing on the screen and writing and everything are all at school. But we shall soldier on. So the first thing you got to do whenever you are when you're doing factor label, right, is you must draw a horizontal line, and then the next thing that you have to do is you have to draw a simple text box. No, you have to draw an equal sign. As you can see, those of you who are thinking about doing all of your math on your computer, it is incredibly arduous to get anything on the screen in any kind of short period of time. All right, so now we are ready to start this problem. So again, we'll start off with step 1. Step 1 is we have to go in and we have to find the simplest number in the problem. And luckily in this problem, there's only one number in this problem. It is this number right here. There's no distractors on this one, just this number right there. So we are going to put that number right here, 542 pounds. And we are going to put it horizontally. Thank you very much, Word. It always thinks it knows best. Anyways, now that we have that number, the next step is to go all the way over to the end and try and decide what we want to put at the end of this problem. So at the end of this problem, we're going to look for, convert to, or what are the units of, or something like that. And if we look up here in the original problem, it says converted into kilograms. So our answer that we're looking for here is going to be in kilograms. So I'm going to give myself a little space there, like I was writing this. So I know, and mainly, by the way, I see a lot of folks who want to skip this step, but remember, it's really important because you need a reminder there. You need something there that tells you exactly what you're trying to get to, exactly what is the end goal here. All right, so now we are ready to start the actual factor label process. That is step 3, rinse and repeat. And to do that, I'm going to draw a vertical line here. There it is. Draw a vertical line. Oops, jump the screen just a little bit. I'll move it back, don't worry. We're going to draw a nice, that's a huge vertical line, but it'll work. Let's go roll this back over there. There we go. So a nice vertical line that divides our steps up. So on the next step, I'm going to put a conversion factor that's going to help me get to the end answer that I need. So I need something that has pounds in it that I can convert into something else. And looking up here at all of these conversion factors, there's really only one place that pound occurs, right? So we really only have one option. But if there were more than one option, we'd have to think about where we were going. And I know a lot of people get tripped up with that. And here's the great thing about this, right? You can go through and you can try the next step. And if you mess up, you just erase it. On the computer, you just select them and delete them. If you're handwriting it, you just erase it with a pencil, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to take that conversion factor. The only one we've got is this conversion factor right here. 1 pound equals 450 grams. So that's what has to go in the next step. So the question is, which one do I put where? And you're going to remember from that other video that I showed you, I always do this the same way, which is I always put my units first. So I am going to put LBs, I'm going to put pounds, good old British LBs, I'm going to put those on the bottom. Why do I put pounds on the bottom? Because I've already got pounds on the top here. I've got to cancel those out, right? My answer doesn't have pounds anywhere in it, just kilograms. So we gotta get rid of pounds. And what are we going to what are we going to convert that into? Well, according to our conversion factor, we have to go from pounds. Up on top here, we have got to put grams, all right? And we look at the conversion factor, and it tells me how many pounds equals how many grams. So we got 1 pound equals 450 grams. Now, if you look that up on Google, remember, Google's going to tell you a different answer. Google's actually correct in this case, right? These are a little different than what is correct, mostly so that people will practice factor label instead of actually just Googling the answer, just Googling and letting Google calculate it for you. Because I want you to learn this skill moving forward. We're going to use it all throughout the semester. So we're going to take, well, first of all, we got to cancel some stuff out, right? LB's is on the bottom. Ooh, it does not like that. There we go. LB's is on the bottom, so that one's gone. And on the top, so bam and bam. Both of those cancel out, and we're left with grams. So we check at the end of this step. Is that the answer that we need? Is our answer supposed to be in grams? No, it's supposed to be in kilograms. So we need to do another step. So we're going to draw another vertical line. Another vertical line goes right here. And we go on to step 2. We're going to see if this is going to be a 2-step problem. I don't know, maybe. All right. So now we got to see if we can convert grams into something. So what goes on the bottom here? Not the 450, right? But just the units, just the grams. We're going to get the number off the conversion factor, right? So what can we convert grams to? Can we convert grams into kilograms? We have, I guess there's really only one option up here, right? And if you look around, for some reason in my brain I was thinking there were two. There's really only one place, one other place I should say, where we have grams. Why use this factor? We already used that one in the previous step. No. We're going to go up here. We're going to use this version of grams, okay? So it goes from grams to kilograms. Surprise, surprise. Kaloo-kalay, fantastic day. We are going to go from grams to kilograms. And we get the numbers that go in front of those from the conversion factor. 1 kilogram is equal to 1,000 grams. No. Let's try it this way. On the front end? No. All right. Well, we'll just make it a little wider. There we go. It's dreadfully difficult doing this in Word because you got to make sure everything's formatted just right. All right. Now we look at it and we see what cancels out, anything that's on the top and on the bottom. And I see a lot of people want to go through and they want to cancel out like this grams. Don't do that. Don't do that. Cancel out an entire unit. Make your life easier. So we're going to cancel out that grams. Gone. We're going to cancel out that grams. Right there. There we go. Gone. All right. So we had grams on top, grams on the bottom. Cancel both of those out. The only unit left up here is kilograms. Fantastic. So now all we need is a calculator, which I can't really pull up for you here. But remember, in our calculator, what we're going to plug in is we're going to plug in 542 times 450 times 1, divide by 1, divide by 1,000. A lot of people make a mistake in this problem because they want to multiply by that last 1,000. But remember, because it's on the bottom, you got to divide by that 1,000. So what you're actually going to get, I can see my calculator app. I'm going to put it up there just in case you guys can see it anyways. I'm not sure that works with this software or not until I watch this video. Times 450 times 1, divide by 1, divide by 1,000 equals 243.9 kilograms. 243.9 kilograms is what I should get. I hope this clears up any confusion. Again, feel free to watch this video over and over again, trying to piece out what the next step is. I'll see you all tomorrow.